Mastering Prepositions. Unlocking the Power of Gerunds. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our series on Learning English Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're exploring an exciting part of the English language, prepositions followed by gerunds. We'll specifically be zooming in on the topic of definition of prepositions. Remember, understanding prepositions is vital in using gerunds correctly, so let's dive right in. First things first, what are prepositions? In simple terms, prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to some other word in the sentence. They often indicate direction, location, time, or manner. Some common prepositions include on, in, at, from, with, and about. Consider this example. She is on the bus. In this sentence, on is a preposition that shows the relationship between she and the bus. Now, let's focus on how prepositions relate to gerunds. Remember, a gerund is a verb form that acts like a noun and ends in ing. When a preposition is used in a sentence, it is often followed by a gerund. Here is an example. I am thinking about going to the park. In this sentence, about is the preposition and going is the gerund. Together, they express the action that the speaker is considering. While many prepositions can be followed by gerunds, there are some that you'll come across more often. Here are some common ones: on, of, for, about, at, by, without, before, after. For instance, I am good at running. She was tired of studying. They left without saying goodbye. In each of these examples, the preposition precedes the gerund to provide additional context to the sentence. And there you have it. You've just learned about prepositions and their role when followed by gerunds. Remember, the proper use of prepositions followed by gerunds can greatly improve your English fluency and comprehension. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for joining today's session. We look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll continue this exciting journey of learning English grammar. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.